It seems there is something wrong with this handle flash. It is broken. So guys, what's happening here? Oh, it's not connected. Something happened. So I'm going to try to fix it. First step, turn off this. Yes. Then I'll try to flash it using my hands so the water will be removed. That's it. And so the problem is this is broken, so I need to replace this. So guys, so you need this, it's called flapper. Yeah, the only flappers. So open it and you see that there's connection here. That's what I'm gonna use to connect to the. So I'm taking this off. Take this. So take this off. There you go. Here's how it looks. So this is the old one, and now this is the new one. I'm gonna replace this with this. So this one I will put here. Okay, just hook it up right here, and on the other side, there you go. And there's this connector, which I will connect this guy. Where are those holes here? And I will connect it on this hole. Hold on. Ayaw. There you go. So now it's connected. So let's test this now. Test. Yeah, that opens, release, closes. So now let's test it. I will turn on the water supply. Okay, let's see. Yes. So it's ready to be flashed. Let's see if it works. Ta-da. It works. So guys, this is how easy it is. It's now fixed. Flashing time. Try it.